Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you exactly how you can remove the eBay authentication tag from your stuff that you bought. Basically, eBay has specific products that you would buy a tag on them. This tag is basically like something that I will show you right now in case you didn't know that exists, but it actually comes with a lot of things, such as clothes, sneakers, and a lot of other things that may come with it. People nowadays struggle a lot to remove it, but in fact, it's quite simple and easy to actually be removed. You don't need anything that hard to remove it. It is basically you simply need a scissor, and you see that thing right here, the blue thing. You simply have to cut through it with the scissor. Now, what to take in consideration is basically do not cut through your shoe. So basically, take a breath and choose exactly when, and basically choose the direction where you want to cut. Do and put your scissor between these this thing right here, this blue thing, and right after that, cut it. Make sure that your clothes are not touched with the scissor so you do not damage them or do anything bad to them. Now, this eBay thing basically comes with any other clothes. Like you might buy a Nike thing, like buy Nike or anything, and you will find like the Nike tag with it. So it's something that comes with most of the clothes, but people really, when they see something that big and circular and basically it's plastic, they find it weird and they think that they need some kind of device. But no, in fact, you don't really need any device. You just need a scissor and right after that cut into it. So yeah, thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.